All right, hey there, guys. If you've been searching for how myEcon works, you're probably trying to figure out, okay, but what does this actually do? And that's a smart question because most people hear about myEcon, but don't fully understand how the system actually works. So let me break it down simply. At the foundation, myEcon is built around financial education, not hype, not guesswork, not chasing random opportunities, actual financial principles. And it starts with something called income shifting. Now, most people earn money, get taxed, and then try to live on what's left. But the way higher income earners operate is completely different. They focus on understanding how money flows and how to legally structure things so they can keep more of what they earn. That's what income shifting is about. Now, in addition to that, myEcon teaches credit awareness, so you understand how your credit actually works. Tax education, so you're not overpaying without realizing it. And debt reduction strategies, so you can get out of that cycle that keeps most people stuck. So instead of just earning money and reacting, you start operating with a system. Now, here's the second part of how myEcon works. There's also a business model built into it, which means if you go through the education and it makes sense to you, you can choose to share it with others. And when someone joins through you, you earn commissions. So the system works like this. You learn the financial education, you apply it to your own life. And if you want to, you share it with others. Now, where most people struggle is they don't have a way to consistently get in front of people. And that's why I built Digital Web Kings, because in the Digital Web Kings ecosystem, we combine financial education with tools, traffic, and systems. So you're not just hoping something works, you actually have structure. So if you want to see how the full system works step by step, I put the breakdown in the description, or you can go to the site, digitalwebkings.com. Check it out. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video.